Hello student, I am KARISHMA ma'am. Today we will start chapter 2 of science, microorganisms, friends and food. Besides animal and plants, there is a world of living creatures that are present everywhere, but as so small that this cannot be seen by naked eye. These are called microbes or microorganisms. In order to see microorganisms, we use a special device called microscope that is perform an activity to see the microorganisms in soil. Collect moist soil from field and add water in it. When soil particles settle, take a drop of water on glass slide, cover it with cover slip and observe the glass slide using microscope. We observed many small organisms which cannot be seen with naked eye are observed through microscope. Let us perform another activity. Collect small quantity of pond water, take a drop on glass slide, cover it with cover slip and observe the glass slide using microscope. We observed organisms are observed which cannot be seen with naked eye. During rainy season, moist bread get covered with grayish white patches. If we observe these patches through microscope, we will find a tiny black rounded structure growing on thin long stacks from bread. These microorganisms are called bread mold. Classification of microorganisms. Microorganisms are classified into four groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Along with this group, there exist group of organisms called as viruses, which are considered to be borderline of living and non-living things. Why is it so? It is because viruses does not have cellular structures such as cytoplasm or cell organelle, which is the feature of non-living things. However, once this organism reaches inside the cell, they use host cell energy and nutrients to reproduce and multiply in thousands, which makes it thinks that these are living. Common diseases such as cold, influenza, that is flu, and most coughs are caused by viruses. In addition to this, there are many serious diseases caused by viruses. These are polio, chickenpox, etc. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial disease. Based on structure, microorganisms could be unicellular, consisting of a single cell like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, and multicellular, consisting of many cells like algae and fungi. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms are everywhere around us, in air, water, soil, in our body and body of the other animals and plants. These organisms can survive in all type of environment such as ice cold climate, hot spring, deserts, marshy lands, even at the bottom of sea. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms, for example, Plasmodium, which lives in human blood and cause malaria. Some lives freely such as amoeba and other makes their colonies such as fungi and bacteria. Dear students, some of these organisms are harmful, but most of organisms play an important role in our life. We will discuss all about in upcoming videos. Thank you.